Go ahead, Karen.
Thanks, Jen. The president was asked Friday night by ABC if he supported term limits for the Supreme Court, and he said no. He has said that before. He talked about that during the campaign season. But that appears to be the area in that draft report, the materials last week, that has, agreement, bipartisan agreement. Why is he ruling that out now before getting the final report in a couple weeks?
As you know, he hasn't reviewed the final report, which again is an assessment. It's not recommendations. Obviously, you all have seen the draft out there, and there was a public meeting on Friday to discuss. So I think it's more reflection that his position hasn't changed. He hasn't reviewed the report yet, and I'm sure when he does, we'll have more to say.
But if he's indicating publicly now that he doesn't support, he said just no, one word answer, that he doesn't support the proposal that does have the most widespread and bipartisan support as stated by that committee, is the takeaway now that any changes to the court are not likely to happen?
I think the takeaway should be he hasn't reviewed the report or the assessment from the Supreme Court committee, and that is consistent with what his position has been in the past.